welcome back to my channel. My name is Tina and today we're going to check out this contour and highlight stick from PUR. I got this at Christmas time and then I watched a video by PopLuxe. Here I'll find his videos linked down below. I really like him, he's super funny and he does some really interesting stuff with makeup. I bought this and it says it's a contour highlight stick, but he did a video where, and it did come with this beauty blender, which, you know, I assumed was just for the contour, but he did his entire face with it and then blended it in and said, you know, that's how they said to use it. I've looked around, I don't know that I've seen that myself, that that's what they're saying. I have a hard time thinking that this is going to work. This is just going to be a foundation video where we find out if you can in fact use this stick to do your entire face of foundation and skip the other steps. So basically you darken and use the darker sides, like here and there and down there and like up here and down my nose. Then you use the lighter side and you highlight with it. So basically you're gonna put it like here, here definitely, down the center of the nose. The idea of this is that you can blend this out into a full face of foundation without using foundation. I have to tell you, I don't see how that's gonna work for a couple reasons. One, I think this isn't gonna match. I think you're gonna end up with like it being way too orange for some people, yellow for other people. And I know that you could use more of the darker color if you're a darker shade and less, you know, of the darker color if you're a lighter shade. But let's see what happens. Okay, I'm kind of astonished that this actually blended out even as well as it has, and I'm not even gonna say that this is like, oh my god, amazing blended. I am shocked that it doesn't look worse than it does. I was anticipating like a really orangey look and stuff, but what I also can tell you is like, if you're looking for coverage anywhere, this isn't gonna give it to you. It seems like, and I don't notice that it's super buildable actually now that I'm sitting here playing with it in these areas like this. If you have nothing else, you could, I think you could make this work. Crazy to me that you can make this work. The problem is it just doesn't give me enough coverage for what I would want from a foundation, and we're gonna zoom you in and you can take a look around. I think I've probably not blended it entirely in places. Let's see what happens when I blend this out. Really use some no color powder and blend it in. Because right now it's looking just a light foundation. I put on my no color powder, and what I'm noticing is the areas that I thought were going flaky, which is right here across my forehead, are in fact flaky. So if you watch my project pan, this is totally done. Yeah, I killed it. I just dropped the very last of it on the floor because yeah, that's how it goes in my world. I think it's a decent highlight contour stick. Like for your nose and stuff, I think it does a really good job. Using it as a full face foundation, absolutely don't do this if you're going anywhere. Like other than if you want to shoot this as a video because you're entertained by the notion that you can take a highlight contour stick of any sort and blend it out into a full face of foundation, because I'm shocked that it actually isn't like a terrible color match when I did it, and on him it didn't look like a terrible color match either. It definitely is not going to give you a great coverage and a beautiful moisturized look or dewy look or, you know, whatever look, because it isn't designed for that. I don't think. I didn't see anywhere that it said it was. I think this is more of a just for fun, look what I can do sort of thing. And it is interesting that you can do this at all with it. Like, I am a little shocked right now. I was expecting to be orange, right this moment. I was surprised when I saw his video of him doing that, because when I had looked at this on their site, they just were using it as a normal contour, but he said he had seen where they were doing this, and I found that so fascinating because it is kind of an interesting idea that you're mixing your own foundation and making it lighter and darker as you go. Sort of makes sense to me, but it just isn't built for that. I don't think it doesn't have like the moisturizers and things to keep it on your skin and looking nice. I'm gonna say it can be done. I don't think it works out, but I am surprised that it even looks this good. Like, I am kind of in shock right now that I don't look like a clown. Yeah, let me know if you've tried anything like this, and maybe we should be trying this with our other contour and highlight sticks and see what happens. I don't know, now I'm tempted. See, look at that, it's getting drier as I sit here. Oh my God. But it isn't oxidizing, so that's nice. All right, let me know what you guys think. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.